Breaking romance alert. I just saw my friend meet a golden Pomeranian puppy and boom! Head over heels in 0.2 seconds. Welcome back to English with Bruce. Learn something new? Give a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Ever say I like her or him very much and it sounds flat? English has a perfect phrase for big feelings. Let's upgrade your expression. Head over heels means you're completely in love or wildly excited about someone or something. In Korean, you can say 홀딱 반하다 or 완전히 푹 빠지다. Business examples. Our early adopters are head over heels over our new dashboard. The design team is head over heels for the phone's new feature. Productivity's up. Everyday examples. He fell head over heels after the first date. We visited Maui and went head over heels for the coastline. You crushed it today. Like, subscribe, bell on, and meet me Wednesday for business power phrases. See you then. Head over heels for better English.